Hello and welcome to Master English, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently. I'm your host, and today we're going to do something special. We're going to train your voice, your rhythm, and your confidence so that you can sound natural in real English conversations. Maybe you've studied English for years. You know hundreds of words, you understand grammar, but when you speak, something feels off. You might sound too robotic, too flat, or maybe your sentences don't flow smoothly. You listen to native speakers and they sound effortless. Every word just connects like music. And you wonder, how can I sound like that? Well, the answer isn't more grammar or vocabulary. It's rhythm, tone, and flow. That's what makes you sound natural in English. So, in this episode, we're going to train that together, step by step, through listening, shadowing, and repetition. All you need to do is listen carefully, repeat after me, and feel the natural rhythm of English as we go. Let's begin. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and smile, because today you're going to sound amazing. When native speakers talk, they don't speak word by word. They connect words. They stress some sounds and they relax others. They speak in waves, not in straight lines. So let's start simple. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it with energy. I don't speak fast. I speak naturally. Again, I don't speak fast. I speak naturally. Once more. I don't speak fast. I speak naturally. Good. This is your mindset for the whole episode. Fluency is not about speed. It's about smoothness. Now, let's warm up with short, everyday sentences, the kind you hear in real life. Repeat each one after me. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on rhythm. How's it going? I'm doing great, thanks. What have you been up to? Not much, just working. That sounds good. Really? Tell me more. Now, say them again. This time, connect the words naturally. Let your mouth move easily. Listen to the flow. How's it going? I'm doing great, thanks. What have you been up to? Not much, just working. That's what natural English sounds like. You see, native speakers don't say every word clearly, they connect words. This is called connected speech. When you practice this, you start sounding smoother and more confident. Now, let's do a mini shadowing round. Listen closely, then repeat after me, as if we're talking together. I woke up early this morning, made some coffee, and checked my messages. I had a busy day ahead, but I felt good, ready to go. When I stepped outside, the air was cool and the city was quiet. It felt like the perfect time to think in English. Now, repeat again. Faster, smoother. I woke up early this morning, made some coffee, and checked my messages. Good. You're not just learning words, you're training flow. Here's something powerful. Intonation. Intonation is the music of English, how your voice goes up and down. It shows emotion, confidence, and clarity. Say this with me. Really. Go up at the end like surprise. Really. Go down like you agree. That's amazing. I can't believe it. Notice the feeling. English isn't flat, it's emotional. When you use intonation, you sound alive, real, and natural. Let's shadow one short dialogue. I'll say both parts, and you'll repeat the full thing after me. Hey, did you watch that movie last night? Yeah, it was awesome. Really? I thought it was kind of boring. No way, I loved it. Now, you. Hey, did you watch that movie last night? Yeah, it was awesome. Really? I thought it was kind of boring. No way, I loved it. See how the emotion changes your voice? That's how natural English sounds. Not from perfect grammar, but from feeling. Let's keep building. This time, I'll give you short sentences used in real life. You'll repeat after me. Focus on linking words and keeping your tone light and relaxed. Can you give me a hand? I'll call you back later. It's not a big deal. I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. You got this. Now, let's shadow them again with connected speech. Can you give me a hand? I'll call you back later. It's not a big deal. I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. You got this. Perfect. This is real, living English, the way people actually speak. Now, let's do a quick shadowing story. You'll hear a short paragraph. Listen first, then repeat. Ready? I was walking to work this morning, and I saw a friend from school. We hadn't talked in years, but we just started chatting like no time had passed. It felt so easy, so natural. That's what good communication feels like. Effortless connection. Now, repeat it smoothly. I was walking to work this morning, and I saw a friend from school. Yes, keep going until you finish. Good. Remember, when you shadow like this, you're not just repeating words, you're training your muscle memory for English speech. Now let's work on emotion and flow. Fluency isn't only about speed or pronunciation. It's also about feeling what you say. Say this with me. I can do this. I'm improving every single day. My English sounds better every time I practice. I'm proud of my progress. I'm becoming fluent. Beautiful. These affirmations aren't just words. They shape your mindset. Every time you speak with confidence, your brain starts to believe you can speak fluently. Now, let's review with the real-life conversation. Imagine you're meeting a friend in a cafe. I'll say the sentences. You shadow them right after. Hey, it's been a while. How are you? I'm good. Just been really busy lately. Yeah, same here. Work's been crazy. Tell me about it. I barely have time to relax. I know the feeling. But hey, it's good to see you. You too. We should do this more often. Now, say it again. Faster, smoother. Listen to how the sounds connect. That's natural conversational English. Here's a secret tip. Fluency comes when you stop thinking about English and you start feeling English. When you shadow daily, just 10 to 15 minutes, your mouth starts to remember the rhythm. Your brain starts to think in patterns. That's when you start sounding natural, without effort. So make this your daily routine. Listen, repeat, feel, and connect. Let's finish today's session with one more powerful round of shadowing affirmations. Say them with energy, with confidence, with rhythm. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. Every word I say makes me more fluent. My English is getting smoother every day. I sound natural and confident when I speak. I am proud of my English voice. Repeat one last time. I am proud of my English voice. Yes, that's it. That's how fluency feels. Thank you for listening to Master English. You've just completed a full shadowing practice designed to help you sound natural in real conversations. Remember, it's not about speaking fast. It's about speaking smoothly, confidently, and naturally. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to subscribe for more slow English podcasts, daily shadowing practice, and motivational lessons. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.